Hi, I'm Jenny from Tuftinglove, and let's have a look at our basic tufting starter set. First of all, we have our AK5 tufting machine in the set. It's my personal favorite tufting machine. It's lightweight, super silent and super smooth. And the nice add-ons are this tiny light in the front here, which helps you see things clearly even though it's getting dark outside and you're probably tufting a bit late. And the digital speed control display thingy. The digital speed display is up here, which helps you setting your tufting machine to your desired speed, so it's the most comfortable for you to work with. Next, you can choose between a set of 10 of these nail strips and our tufting frame. So you either choose to build your tufting frame yourself. There's a little guide at the bottom how you can build your own tabletop frame. Or you buy our premium tufting frame, which is suitable for 50 by 70 rugs. Next, you're gonna get this whole big thing of tufting cloth, 3 by 5 meters of our premium tufting cloth, made in Germany for the industry. So it's like a super durable, super tear resistant tufting cloth. It's 100% polyester, and I can show you how strong it is, because if I'm trying to tear it apart, you can see that my fingers are very much not happy about it, but the thread itself is really holding up to it. So if you're planning on tufting a lot and you want a reliable base also for bigger projects, the premium tufting cloth is your way to go. It's my favorite tufting cloth, also the one that we're using in all our workshops, because I just know it's not gonna fail you, because it's not gonna tear because of the tension you're gonna create while stretching the tufting frame. Last but not least, we have the final non-slip felt backing with the little rubber dots. Like this, you can finish the back of your rug super easily, and you have a nice and clean finish also on the edges, and you're not slipping out of your shower if you tuft your own shower bathroom rug thingy. So you can see in this basic tufting starter set there's everything you need, and we're not compromising on any quality here. You get the best tufting machine we have in the shop, in my opinion, and the most reliable base fabric, the premium tufting cloth. If you have any more questions, feel free to just send me an email and we're gonna figure out together what else you're gonna need.